I know it's been a long time since I put out any videos about specific DVD bolos that you should be looking for, specific categories, niches that you should be looking for in selling and making that glorious money. But I'm back for you guys. I got one for you today. Hey guys, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Today I got another special DVD category that you guys need to be looking out for, and is one that I just recently sold. If you saw it on Instagram, you'd be like, oh my god, what is that type of DVD and where can I find it? And that DVD is Twilight Time. Twilight Time is a boutique home media label whose goal is to release classic DVDs and Blu-rays in limited edition batches. So the reason why these DVDs actually sell really well is because a lot of them are only numbered out to 3,000. Now, movie collectors that are getting this are not only buying it because of the low print run, but there are also some extras in there, right? There's extra behind the scenes stuff, some scenes that are cut out, all the type of good stuff that movie collectors want to see. So just recently I sold the Twilight Time limited edition Blu-ray of Breaking Away for $149.95. This Blu-ray sold in less than 24 hours, and I found it sitting on my store shelf in used condition for just $2. So that's just one example of some of the crazy value that you're gonna find when it comes to Twilight Time Blu-rays. And for me, when I found this one, it definitely did stand out. At the top of the Blu-ray, it did say Twilight Time on there, so that stands out. It's something you don't see very frequently when it comes to DVDs or Blu-rays on the shelf. Then on the flip side of the case as well, at the bottom, it said limited edition 3,000 print run. Now, the movies that you're going to find under Twilight Time are classic films, so when you're looking for them and finding them on the shelves, they're going to be older movies, right? You're going to be finding stuff mainly from the 60s, 70s, and 80s, but there's also going to be older movies out there that you're going to find. And that's really the rarity when it comes to Blu-rays, because a lot of times on Blu-rays, you're not going to find some really old movies on there other than the real popular ones. The obscure ones that you find on Blu-ray are usually going to be the ones that are worth money if it's Twilight Time or just a regular Blu-ray. I'm going to pop up a few examples of Blu-rays that sold really well. Follow That Dream with Elvis Presley sold for $140 plus shipping. Moby Dick sold for almost $150 as well. La Bamba sold for $180. 9 to 5 sold for $186. Our Man Flint is selling for around $250 new. And one of the craziest ones out there is Inferno 3D, sold for $1,000. That is insane. So that just goes to show you what type of potential is out there for this type of movie. So make sure you keep an eye out for it whenever you're looking at DVDs or Blu-rays. So thank you guys for checking out this video. Maybe hit the thumbs up on the way out. Hit the subscribe if you aren't already. Check out one of the two videos if you have a little more time. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.